The resources I found while completing the Animation Tools assignment expanded my knowledge of this topic and has given me the tools necessary to teach students how to develop their own animations. Using animations in multimedia projects is a way to illustrate and/or communicate various points or ideas. Animations provide a way to enhance text and better express thoughts. This assignment instructed me to locate 15 animation tools, 5 cloud-based, 5 software versions, and 5 versions of authoring software. I then had to create an animation using one from each category. I spent a significant amount of time learning how to use several of these tools and creating and exporting my own original animations. I can use the knowledge I acquired learning these tools to teach my students how animations can enhance their work and showcase creativity. In addition, this list of tools that I have compiled can be shared with any educator or anyone that is wanting to learn more about animations and how they can be incorporated into lessons. This presentation was based on readings from Chapter 1. It discusses the impact of multimedia on learning and how it plays a role with different learning styles. The theory of multiple intelligences is discussed, which I think is appropriate considering how when multimedia is incorporated, there is something for all learning styles. The benefits of multimedia are also discussed in addition to cooperative learning and the theory of constructivism. There are many amazing benefits in the classroom using multimedia. This presentation is useful for any educator that is wanting to learn more about the benefits of incorporating multimedia in the classroom and why it is important.